Hopefully you got x to the 13th. 24 plus negative 11, or 24 minus 11, is 13. So x to the 13th. Now let's try multivariable. A to the 20th, b to the negative 3rd, times a to the negative 7th, b to the 18th. So we have a, 20, and negative 7 gives me a to the 13th. Negative 3 and 18 gives me b to the 15th. A to the 13th, b to the 15th. 14. J to the 21st, k to the 9th, times j to the negative 32nd, k to the negative 6th. And when we combine 21 and negative 32, give me j to the negative 11th. And k to the 9th and k to the negative 6th give me k to the 3rd. Okay, so again, 21 excuse me, plus negative 32 is negative 11, and 9 plus negative 6 is 3. Well, we can't leave a negative variable there. We have to use our skill from what we talked about at the beginning of the lesson. And so k cubed stays in the numerator, and j to the positive 11th goes to the denominator. Go ahead and try number 15. E to the negative 36th, f to the negative 7th, times e to the 41st, f to the negative 14th. Give you a little bit of time to try that, or just pause the video instead of having awkward silence. See what you got. E to the 5th, f to the negative 21st, which would simplify to e to the 5th divided by f to the 21st, positive 21st. Okay, hopefully that one worked out. Try the next. Quantity g to the negative 6th power to the 2nd power. So power to a power means we multiply. So we get g to the negative 12th. We can't have negative answers, so therefore we have 1 divided by g to the positive 12th. Number 17. Quantity h to the negative 3rd to the negative 6th power. Negative 3 times negative 6 equals positive 18. So in this case, the negative times the negative cancels it out into a positive value, so therefore I don't have to do any rearranging. It's just the answer that it is. Now let's do the same concept with the expanded. So quantity negative 3, m to the negative 4th, quantity, sorry, to the 2nd power. Sorry, negative 2nd power. So we have negative 3 to the negative second power, and we have m to the positive 8 power. So negative second power, we have to go to the denominator, although the 8 stays in the numerator. Now remember, the negative 3 is the base. That stays negative. Just the exponent is the part that's concerning. And so negative 3 squared ends up being 9. So m to the 8th divided by 9. Now I'm going to have you go ahead and try number 19. Quantity negative 4 x y to the negative third to the negative third power.